Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Hallmark Movies Now on your PlayStation 5 and link it to your account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type Hallmark Movies Now and select the app from the search results. Step 3. Click Download to install the Hallmark Movies Now app on your PlayStation 5. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the Hallmark Movies Now app from your game library or app list. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign In or Activate Device to begin the activation process. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Make a note of this code. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to hallmarkmovies.com. Activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then log in with your Hallmark Movies Now account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once verified, your PlayStation 5 will refresh, and Hallmark Movies Now will be linked to your account, allowing you to enjoy feel-good movies and series. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.